Hi, I'm Diane, the founder of GRACED. In this video, I'll explain how to work smarter. GRACE treatments can exponentially increase the level of accomplishments just by removing blocks, mostly in the emotional and mental field, allowing the energy of flow to take you higher, like wind to wings. Flow theory was developed by a Croatian who trained in Chicago during the 1950s. His name was Mihai Csikszentmihalyi. Mihai defined flow as the concentration and engagement that can be achieved with completing a task that challenges one's skills. He studied athletes, artists, musicians, painters, tradesmen, scientists, chefs, anyone who achieved a high state in their chosen field. These people ignored bodily needs, often pushing themselves beyond ordinary constraints. He found they were incredibly adept at overcoming blocks and obstacles along their path, and through intense focus and confidence, they lost all sense of time. For them, the activity elicited a state of joy and a sense of accomplishment. Mihai claims that this is the secret to happiness, for people to be able to create while in flow, for others to enjoy. Achieving a level of accomplishment is, of course, filled with challenges, but sustaining levels of flow for long periods of time requires that we focus on the challenge rather than the blocks. When trying to transform your body, perform or win a tournament, the practice just needs to happen without debate. The way you feel about it is irrelevant. Just let your body and mind do what it was built for and get rid of the inner comments, the criticisms, the negative emotions and thoughts. It's not something that needs your opinion. It doesn't matter what you feel or think. Quite simply, your body needs to move in flow. Some believe in affirmations. Affirmations alone can require up to 10,000 repetitions to have an impact. Others might use visualizations. They do result in change, but it often is temporary. The most important method for flow is a spirit when it informs the soul, and that informs the mind, and that informs the body. GRACED works by identifying these frequencies, what some might call emotions. That is needed to achieve flow. Connecting with spirit on an energetic level quickly identifies blocks to flow. Examples of blocks might be past experiences, a wall around your heart, an internalized hypnotizing statement you tell yourself. There are many options out there, and we're just going to ask your higher self to reveal them in priorities. In a single session, you will awaken a higher level of consciousness that not only enhances your physical abilities, but also creates mental clarity. Through a series of sessions, you will awaken to a higher level of being that might otherwise have taken months of meditation, training, and diligence to achieve. Flow is an unencumbered energy from your higher self that connects to all that is. It pushes you beyond thinking of yourself as an isolated, fragile human being. giving you a joyous connection, a rhythmic pulse that connects to a higher state. To increase the level of flow, consider a grace treatment. If you've ever been there, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, oh, you've got so much to look forward to.